In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to mark your support and resistance line. In this case, I'm looking at the dollar index. I'm looking at the weekly, and I moved it from a candle chart to a line chart. We're going to look and see what price is currently, which is this dotted line going across here. And what I like to do is go ahead and mark it temporarily so that I can see where it is when I'm looking at the most recent high and low points on the chart. So that's what current price is currently is purple. Okay, so now I'm going to create another line, and I'm going to mark the most recent high for the week. I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to mark the most recent low. So price is here, the most recent high is here, and if I follow where price is now, the most recent low is here. And that's it. I just marked support, which is down here, and resistance. The most recent high is resistance. The most recent low is support. So let me go ahead and notate that. Weekly support. In this line, we're going to touch it, and we're going to notate weekly resistance. Now, I just marked support and resistance, the weekly high and low on my chart. Now, following a top-down analysis, I would just go through the next time frames and do it again. And in this particular case, I'm looking for the most recent high and low on the daily, because I like to do the same thing on the daily. So I'm going to see what price is currently. If you can see, this is the most recent low right here. I'm going to change the color and type in daily support, because that is a low. And I'm going to move this below so we can see it. Okay, and then here's price. Most recent is right here. It's right here where weekly was. I'm going to put a line there because I don't know where the wicks are and what they're going to do, where they're going to be once I turn it back to a candle chart. And I'm going to say daily resistance. Okay, and there. Now, to follow my top-down analysis, I'm going to go to the 4-hour. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm looking for a point, making a line where I have support and resistance on both sides, a high and a low on both sides. Here's where price is currently. So I'm going to go above here, and I'm going to see, I see here, point of support, and I have to go back in time to see if that's a valid support and resistance line. So let's go to most recent price action. So when I'm looking here, right in here, I'm going to show you, right here, looks like some action. I'm going to change the color. On the 4-hour, I like to make it red. And I see right here, this is a point of resistance, point or area of support, resistance, possibly support, resistance. And I'm sure I can go back in time and keep going. Now, so I'm going to mark this 4-hour support resistance. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to see if I can find a point, which this might be a zone. Let's see. I like this one. Price is here, so I'm going below price. So I'm going to go here. And I could have just cloned the other one to make it easier. 4 hour support resistance. I'm just going to show you this so you can follow along step by step. See? Resistance to resistance. Support. So you want at least two touches, 2 to 3 touches, okay? One touch is not enough for what we're looking for, 2 to 3 touches. And this may be again a zone, okay? We're not going to do anything different because I don't want to confuse you. If price turns around and comes back up, let me see if there's another place of support. Right here. Right here. See? Came down here, bounced off. Came up here, went back down. Bounced up. Went down. So we're looking at support and resistance here as well. Both sides. 4 hour SR. And you would do it one more time on the daily. There's other little points in here that you can adjust as you go along. And okay. See, come down with prices here. Let's see, prices going right here. No, just prices coming down a place of daily support. And really, this is outside. It's inside of weekly, but this is outside of the daily. Really, we want to plot in between the two. But I did come down here because this is outside of the weekly, but the daily, but I am plotting between the weekly as well. Okay. So that's how you plot support resistance. Turn into a line chart where price goes up and turns around. That's a point of resistance. Where price goes down and holds because it bounces back up. That's the place of support. I hope this video helps you learn how to figure out how to do this. If you are studying with us, you need to go to your back office. You need to go to education platform. You need to go to analysis, and you need to choose support and resistance. Okay, and you need to go through elements 1 through 4, I believe. That's a part of the manual, the step guide. All right, and you'll learn a lot more about support and resistance. And if you have any questions, make sure you hit me up at I am Trinetta Burrell. That's my Facebook page on Facebook. On IG, I am Trinetta Burrell. Okay, this is my Facebook page, and of course, personally on Facebook, you can find me as well. It's just at I am Trinetta. I'm sorry, at Trinetta Burrell. Okay, you can also check out the YouTube channel, the one that I'm using to train my team. You can check us out on YouTube. Search for Unlimited Cash Flow Money. Okay, we're the Limited Cash Flow Money team. Okay, that's our YouTube channel. And if you actually want to test out our Forex system, you can go to freeforex.co/try Forex. And you can test out our alerts and learn more about what we do. and come study with us. Look forward to hearing from you soon. And I hope this helps you guys learn how to plot support and resistance on a line chart. Thank you. Trade well.